Achieving superior quality requires effort and dedication. At Champion, we've committed over 125,000 hours of research, product design, and the most demanding testing in the industry to make the new LX Series split systems an industry frontrunner. Proven to perform and ready to meet the challenge. Champion quality helps you take the lead. Meeting the 2015 energy standards isn't the finish line for Champion. It's a mile marker. We're looking beyond the competition and taking efficiency even further. With advanced designs and affordable operation, you'll gain the competitive edge. Helping contractors win at every level. It's a driving force at Champion. And we know that installation and service time impacts your business. That's why we designed the new LX Series split systems with serviceability at the forefront. Faster, easier, and simpler means less time on the job site and increased profitability. You'll gain every advantage from a winning combination that puts you ahead of the competition. Built like a champion, works like a champion. The new LX Series residential split systems.